How to connect PayPal to Shopify. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings on Shopify, and then you're gonna have to simply go to payments. Now, as you can see here under payments, you're gonna have Shopify payments, and then you have PayPal. So as you can see, you can activate PayPal, and you can see here that there is a small fee by using PayPal. Now keep in mind that you're gonna need a PayPal for business. You're gonna need to create a PayPal business account so you don't have problems with the payments, and they don't hold your money. Because if you're using your personal PayPal account and you start making money by selling products on Shopify, there is a high chance that they're gonna hold your money. So if you don't want that to happen, you're gonna have to simply create a free PayPal business account. It's very easy and fast. So all you have to do is simply go to PayPal business and simply create your account. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to Shopify again, and then simply click on activate PayPal. Now the next step is to simply click on activate again, and then you're gonna get redirected here where you're gonna have to simply log into your PayPal business account. Now, if you don't have a PayPal business account, you can create one right now here. All you have to do is simply enter your new email and then choose your country and click on next, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.